Welcome, craft enthusiasts and curious minds, to KB Digital Block, a place where creativity meets technology. We are about to embark on a remarkable journey tracing the evolution of crafts and DIY from the dawn of human civilization to the digital age we live in today. Strap in as we explore how each era has shaped and influenced this art form, how we've progressed from basic stone carvings to the limitless world of digital art. So grab your creativity and join us on this exciting adventure. Next stop, the Stone Age. The crafting, an age-old practice, has been the beating heart of human innovation. From the first handprint on a cave wall to the intricate digital designs of today, the world of crafts and DIY has evolved dramatically, constantly challenging and redefining creativity. In the beginning, there was the Stone Age, where our ancestors used simple tools to carve figures into rocks. Fast forward a few millennia, and we arrive at the ancient Egyptians, known for their elaborate jewelry and pottery. The potter's wheel was a revolutionary invention of this era. It not only streamlined pottery production, but also allowed for intricate designs and patterns. Moving forward to the Middle Ages, craftsmanship reached new heights with the advent of stained glass windows. These remarkable pieces of art were often found in churches and palaces, adding a touch of grandeur and mystique to the architecture. As we journey into the Renaissance period, painting and sculpture became the epitome of artistic expression. Masters like Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo showed the world how a simple piece of marble or a blank canvas could be transformed into timeless masterpieces. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century brought about a sea change in the world of crafts. With the advent of machines, crafts like knitting, quilting, and woodworking became more accessible to the masses. In the mid-20th century, the advent of plastic revolutionized the world of DIY and crafts. From model kits to beadwork, plastic made crafting affordable and accessible to all. The late 20th century saw the rise of technology and the birth of digital art. With tools like Photoshop, Illustrator, and 3D printers, the boundaries of creativity were pushed even further. And finally, we arrive at the present day, a time where the internet has democratized knowledge and tools, making DIY and crafts more popular than ever. From YouTube tutorials to Pinterest inspiration boards, crafting has become a global phenomenon. To summarize, the evolution of crafts and DIY has been a fascinating journey, from carving on stone walls to creating virtual reality art. It is a testament to the human spirit's persistence and creativity. We've moved from simple hand tools to sophisticated digital platforms, from exclusive guilds to a global community of crafters. It's a journey that is far from over. So keep crafting, keep creating, and keep pushing the boundaries of your imagination. For in a world constantly changing, one thing remains constant: the human desire to create.